Segment live once again. Starting things out here at the Smash News Network, looking at nullschool.net. It's the surface winds of the eastern world. And we've got a powerful anticyclone here in the southern portion of the Indian Ocean, that counterclockwise rotation associated with high pressure undoubtedly. And here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Quite chaotic jet stream flow once again, such as just off the east coast of Australia there. Some 180-degree bends in the jet stream. Here are the jet streams of the western world. Also very chaotic. We've got some backward jet stream here over northern South America, as well as a powerful anticyclone right here. A counterclockwise rotation in the southern hemisphere means anticyclone. And here is, by the way, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is an anticyclone, if you're wondering. Here are the surface winds. The powerful winds here continue south of Greenland, as we covered yesterday. Also a rift of calm winds, stretching all the way from Cape Cod, practically to the Azores. Continuing on, we saw some quite active lightning. I like to use lightningmaps.org when I hear thunder. And yowzers. New Orleans is surrounded by lightning. There's thunder rolling in Gulfport. So quite an active thunderstorm here, both east and west of New Orleans. Here's your global lightning map. Quite a bit of lightning on a worldwide scale right now. Quite a bit of lightning. And here's your U.S. GOES lightning mapper. Lots of lightning there around the Gulf Coast for the past 24 hours. Next, I wanted to look at snow depth real quick, since there's going to be lots of climate nonsense coming out thanks to the Communist News Network and other writers of sharticles. I just wanted to show you how much snow we have on Greenland. This is going to be a regular feature. Once a week or so, we're going to feature an article about how, oh my God, there's record melting in glaciers, probably because there's record snowfall, which is the mechanism that causes worldwide glaciation. It starts with snow, folks. Anyway, there's the snow depth of Greenland. It certainly doesn't look like it's melted yet. What do you think? Leave us a comment. Let us know. Let's check this area here. Oh, more than 5 meters of snow there. Continuing on. That's windy.com, by the way. By the way, please support our channel via our links. You can find our links at smashomash.com. One of our links is the Smasho merch site, and we've recently put up new merch entitled Vaccinate This. Since my vaccination status is none of your business, perhaps pick up some merch and tell your friends and foes about this. Yeah, my vaccination status is none of your business. It's the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. Continuing on, back to climate. Check out the snow extent. Look how much snow is still on Central Asia. Yowzers. And I would note the snow extent tracker. The snowiest year that we had was actually 2018 to 2019. You can see this blue line here. That is the largest extent we've had on the entire graph there, going back to 2005. And we saw 4 years of snow mass balance, 2 standard deviations above normal. So this is clearly 2 standard deviations above normal. And we saw that for the winters of 2017 to 2018, 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 2020, and 2020 to 2021. 4 winters in a row featuring at least some point of 2 standard deviations above normal snow mass balance. So snow water equivalent still well above the 1 standard deviation blue line here. And we haven't even seen the spring melt really happen yet, although snow extent is only 1 standard deviation above normal now for the entire northern hemisphere. Apparently, folks, it's so hot that it's cold. That's why it's so snowy. Has the North Polar ice cap melted yet? No. It remains frozen all summer every year. And look at the thickness of the ice off of the east coast of Greenland. We've got some areas there with over 4 meters of ice. You can see that red area right there. 4 meters of ice on the east coast of Greenland, adjacent to the Gulf Stream, which is what warms Iceland and the UK, if you weren't aware. And let's get back into some regular old meteorology. That was sort of the climate section here at the Smash News Network. Least busted name in news. Not to be confused with the Climate Nonsense Network. The most busted name in news. Does your favorite online video content have a complete and total agenda? Well, this isn't an agenda. This is the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer, and here's the water vapor. Again, cloud layer, Doppler radar, cloud layer, and water vapor. The water vapor map, folks, will give you insight into how things are going to move. For example, this dry air will provide a bit of a kinetic pulse, although it is being drawn a little bit to the south because this moisture is much less massive as the atmosphere attempts to reach static equilibrium. And that's today's meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in, Twitch. We'll see you next time.